So, for the first one, we have vinyl disc recording and turntable. So, the vinyl business hasn't changed too much since the height of its popularity decades ago. Technics turntables, now more than 30 years old, are still highly recommended DJ equipment. Modern DJs have access to much newer technologies than record players, of course, but those technologies can actually be paired up with turntables to make music. For example, the Vestax PDX 3000 MKLL, a professional turntable, has a mini input that allows the vinyl turntable to be controlled by sounds from a MIDI device. That's just one example of the record player adapting to new technologies. Next we have playback and tape recording. The first tape recorders were used to store audio information. So for this category, we have three types. We have the digital tape recorder, magnetic tape recorder, and the video cassette recorders. Digital tape recording devices are also used to store programs and data for a computer. Magnetic tape can also be used to store video information. Meanwhile, video cassette recorders use a rotating head system to increase tape capacity. So for the next one, we have our CD recording. So CDs were originally used just for storing music. During the 1990s, CD technology also became popular for storing computer programs, games, and other information. For the fourth one, we have microphones. So the most obvious application in security, surveillance, and espionage is to listen in on conversations. Sounds can be recorded or transmitted depending on the situation or application of the microphone. They are used by individuals, police, security agencies, intelligence, and counterintelligence agents. The purpose is to monitor and identify the suspects and obtain the intelligence to their plans and contacts. The type of microphone used depends on the intended use. Parabolic microphones are used for distance surveillance, as the best ones can pick up sounds for as far as 300 yards. However, most of these microphones can be easily blocked from an obstacle in the form of an object or person, causing the poor sound quality or loss of sound reception. A solid wall or door would be impenetrable if it was not for a contact microphone that can intercept any audio signal from a solid material. The choices among microphones to be placed in a room or to be carried by a person are immense. A number of microphones built into pens are available. There are also microphones as small as a tie pin, allowing conspicuous surveillance and spying. Microphones are used as security devices alone or in combination with other instruments such as fingerprint scanners, retinal scanners, or passwords to secure access to high security areas or computers. And lastly, we have the speakers. So, speakers are one of the most common output devices used in computer systems. Some speakers are designed to work specifically with computers, while others can be hooked up to any type of sound system. Regardless of their design, the purpose of speaker is to produce audio output that can be heard by the listener. So that's it for the application of different program sources. Now we're going to the question and answer part. So my question is, among all program sources mentioned, which one made that impact to you and why? So for me, the playback and tape recording made that impact to me because it reminds me of my good old high school days when our Chinese teacher would lead us to the recording room and have us wear our headphones with microphones. Then they let us hear our voice recordings after every term. Basta every other semester. So that's it. I hope to hear your answers and thank you for watching.